freebie. And so there's some really important steps that you want to make sure that you follow. I do have a free cheat sheet in the description. It's going to give you some examples of high converting freebies and things that you need to make sure that you have. But when it comes to like broader perspective, things that you need to do, market research needs to be step number one. So before I ever create anything for free, I actually ask my audience, what do they need from me? So before I created the cheat sheet that you can download in the description, I actually had so many ideas. I'm like, what would my people need? What are they struggling with? And so I came up with like 5 different options, and this was the winner. And so one of the most important things that you need to do as you're starting your business is doing market research. I do have a blog post all about this too. I'll make sure to add this in the description. But don't create something just because you think they want it. Create it because you know that they want it. And this goes for the same thing as like an online course. I see this all the time, people creating an online course because in their mind, this is what they think people want, when in reality, they want something entirely different. And so you can't skip the market research step. This is like fundamental. This is the first thing that I do with all my clients. It is doing the market research. So I'll link up that blog post for you. So next thing that you want to do after you know what your people want, test headlines for that freebie. And we use something called the Advanced Marketing Institute to do that, aminstitute.com, and you can go to the headline analyzer. This is such an amazing tool and it's gonna change your life. So go in there and you could test out, so the headline of the freebie, what I mean by that is like, what's that text that's going to be on that freebie, on that opt-in page itself? So it could be, for my example, let me actually pull up my freebie and I'm going to see what it says. So my freebie is called How to Create a Freebie That Converts. You can test that title in the Advanced Marketing Institute, but then you'll see my text here, struggling to build your email list or don't even know where to start. That you can test in the Advanced Marketing Institute, and it's going to show you the emotional marketing value of that copy. So the words that you're using. So make sure you use that as you're creating your freebie. So all the bullet points that I use, like I use this for everything. You can use it for email subject lines. You can use it for sales pages, like everything, but especially for your opt-in, you want to make sure that you do that. Next thing you want to make sure that you do is create a mock-up of that freebie. So have some kind of a good image that you can use. You can again use my cheat sheet in the description as kind of an example. So I just created a simple image on Canva, and then you can hire somebody to create a mock-up for you if you're not techie. I'm not techie, or you can use a software called placeit.net, and they'll create a super simple mock-up for you. And that's just going to make the freebie look better. It's going to make it more enticing, more professional. So have a mock-up created. This could take you literally 5 minutes, or you could hire someone on Fiverr, fiverr.com for $5 that will do this step for you. And then the last thing you want to make sure that you do is use a high converting opt-in page. And the one that I definitely recommend, especially if you're just starting off and you don't have a huge budget, is lead pages. And so lead pages actually will sort your opt-in pages. It'll show you the ones that are proven to convert. So you don't have to reinvent the wheel. It's literally just like plug and play. They're going to show you an opt-in page that already converts well. And then all you need to do is test or change the headline, change that mock-up, and connect it to your email provider, and boom, you're done. Like, it literally could not be any simpler. It's drag and drop. I actually have a 14-day free trial for you. I'll put that in the description too, as I have all these ideas as I'm talking to you. So I'll put that in the description so you could get started. Try out lead pages for 14 days. That's what like right now we use ClickFunnels, but it's expensive. And when I was starting, I would always recommend lead pages because it's good, and it's perfect for a newbie. It's like $20 a month or $25 a month or something like that. So okay, recap today, short and sweet. So creating a freebie that converts, do your market research. I'll post the link to that blog post. Test your headlines in the Advanced Marketing Institute. Create a mock-up of that freebie and use high converting opt-in pages like lead pages. And then download that cheat sheet too, because that's really going to help you and give you some really good examples of high converting freebies. Okay, I hope you have an amazing day. I'm going to get to some coaching calls and other stuff. So I'll talk to you soon. Bye.